Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and today I'm going to be showing you all how to apply gel polishes and also how to remove gel polishes, so make sure to stay till the end of the video. And I'm going to be reviewing few products sent to me by Bon Petit store as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first product I have here today is the UV top coat by Bon Petit store, and you can see that my thumbnail is broken, so please ignore it. And the next product that I have is from the Cafe Gel series, and it's a gel color coat. So next we have this amazing tool which is called the Rainbow Manicure tool, and it is used to remove gel polishes. So I'm really excited to try and see if it's actually gonna help to remove the gel polish. Also, it has a grip-like structure to hold and use it. So next we have this cuticle oil, and they have sent me the almond cuticle oil, and I'm absolutely in love with this packaging. It is so beautiful. And we also have a Bon Petit stamping plate, which is the tropical stamping plate. It has a lot of leaves and fruits and stuff. And for the first time I have this glitter stamping gel, which I'm really excited about. It is in the shade Summer Breeze and it's a beautiful golden color. And finally, the most exciting tool that I've received is this holographic rainbow stamper. And look at how beautiful the stamper is, and it is actually transparent so you can see where you're stamping. The holographic effect does not block your view, so I'm absolutely excited to try all of these. Next we have this SunMini UV LED lamp, and I got this off on Amazon.in. So you guys can see that it's really small, pocket friendly, and they have 6 different LED lamps along with a USB port, as well as this button which turns on and off the lamp. I bought this in a sky blue color, and this comes just with the wire, and you need to fix the cable and just turn it on, and it comes for around 60 seconds. So I'm going to be testing this out as well today. So I'm going to be using the Jacqueline USA peel off paste coat. This is one way in which you can remove your gel manicures very easily. And for one of my nail, I'm going to be using the Roaslind UV base coat and curing it under the lamp for 60 seconds. So next we have the Cafe Gel series, that is flat white from Bon Petit store, and it's a beautiful nude brown shade. And having a shade like this in gel polish is absolutely amazing. So you can see the first coat that it's almost opaque. So this is without top coat, and you can see that beautiful shine that the gel polish provides. So next I'm going to be applying the top coat from Bon Petit store, and it's called UV top coat, and you can see that it's absolutely glossy and shiny. So the lamp is pretty good and it cures it really well. So for the price, I would absolutely recommend this UV lamp. It is budget friendly and works really well. So the top coat is also not tacky, so you don't have to use remover to remove any tackiness. This gel manicure will leave your cuticles really dry, so you need to apply a cuticle oil around your cuticles. So you need to twist and turn to bring out that product, and then you can apply it really easily. So I am in love with this cuticle oil. It's absolutely amazing. So it moisturizes your cuticles really well, and I would recommend this as well. Next I'm going to be using the tropical stamping plate as well as the glitter stamping gel. So the pros of the stamping gel is that it does not dry fast, so you have enough time to stamp. You also get a very crisp and clear design. So you can remove it off easily while you make a mess when stamping, since it does not dry until you cure it, so that's pretty good. And also there are few cons, that is, cleaning is really messy because it does not dry like a regular stamping polish, and also application on the plate is quite tricky since it does not come in a bottle. So next I'm going to be showing you all how to remove the gel polish. So the first way that I absolutely love is using a peel off gel base, and that is you need to apply it prior to applying your gel polish. And as you can see, it is so easy to remove these gel polishes by applying a peel off base coat. So you need to apply 2 coats of the peel off base coat. I'm going to be putting a link to 2 different peel off base coat that I have tried and that works really well. Whereas the second way to remove the gel polish is the Manicure tool that Bon Pretty Store provides. So this tool easily removes your gel polish by just scraping it off. You don't need to use ton of removers just to remove the gel polish. You just have to scrape the polish out very carefully, and it does not leave any damage on your nail. I'm absolutely in love with this tool. It's a savior for people who need to remove gel polishes. So after my removal, I'm just going to be using this cuticle oil to moisturize my cuticles. There are other ways in which you can remove gel polishes, but I find these 2 ways really helpful for me, and I hope you guys find this useful as well. And if you guys like this video, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos, and also give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment box below if you have any questions. And that's all for today's video. See you on the next one.